Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Canva to transform your photos. This powerful online tool makes picture editing accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. We'll cover everything from basic adjustments to more creative enhancements, ensuring your images always look their absolute best. Get ready to unlock your creative potential with just a few simple clicks and make your pictures truly shine. Once your image is uploaded, you can start with fundamental adjustments. Cropping allows you to focus on key elements, while resizing ensures your picture fits perfectly wherever you need it. Experiment with the Adjust panel to enhance colors and tones, making your photo pop. Don't forget to try out the numerous filters. They offer a quick way to achieve a professional look with just one click, transforming your image in seconds. Now, let's explore some of Canva's more advanced features to truly elevate your pictures. The background remover is a game changer, allowing you to isolate subjects effortlessly. You can also add engaging text, playful stickers, or unique graphic elements to tell your story. Dive into the Effects tab for creative transformations, turning ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art with just a few simple adjustments and imaginative touches. After perfecting your picture, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Canva offers several download options, allowing you to select the best format and quality for your intended use, whether it's for web or print. You can also share your work directly to social media or email with just a few clicks. All your projects are automatically saved in your account, ensuring you can revisit and refine them whenever inspiration strikes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.